Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
new House of Worship installation projects. We check out recent system installs in 8 new and upgraded churches, each different, but all reflecting the current state of the art. Was this the ultimate music drive-in show? For Audi USA's summer drive-in concert, a number of lucky Los Angeles-based frontline COVID workers were provided with new Audi cars to drive to a private performance with R&B artist Kehlani at Malibu's secluded Calamingos Ranch, with onstage rentals providing the production. In our special report on diversity in the live industry, Kevin M. Mitchell visits with 3 successful production professionals who share their real-life experiences and offer ideas on how the industry can move forward. In Showtime Classics, we check back on some great shows from past years, including Coldplay's 2008 to 2010 Viva La Vida Tour, The Killers' 2012 to 2014 Battleborn Tour, Bon Jovi's 2013 Tour, Maroon 5's 2015 to 2018 V Tour, Beyoncé's The Formation Tour, and 2018's Boston Calling Festival. In our tech feature, David Kennedy explores some of the necessary preparations performance facilities, particularly houses of worship, can make to successfully transition to outdoor sound during these difficult times. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on column speakers. If you associate column systems with lo-fi 50-year-old speakers on a church wall or at wedding band gigs, you may be in for a surprise. Check out this selection of high intelligibility, wide bandwidth, next-gen products for portable and fixed applications. Whether you're buying amps or powered speakers, you have to know what you're getting. In the Digital Edge, Steve Lacera delves into the fine art of amplifier rating and the mysterious reality of understanding amplifier power specifications. Wireless mics and IEMs can make production easier, but how much wireless is too much, especially when your church has a limited staff? John McJunkin, our man in the pews, ponders the question.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.